Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
There is a wonderful news for the fighter jets of Indian Air Force. They are going to be a beast pretty soon, and it's going to be very bad news for our neighbors as Uttam AES radar is ready to fit in the nose cone of Indian fighters. Why we are super excited about this news is because it's ahead of schedule and even better version of Uttam AES radar will be produced. So let's start the detailed analysis of this news. As reported by Hindustan Times, the Indian Air Force is planning to demonstrate the indigenously developed Uttam AES radar later this month. As per the project director of LRDE, the radar has already been tested on two Tejas fighter as well as Hawker Sedley 800 executive jet over 250 hours. The radar will be finally demonstrated in a flight this month with the force multiplier ready for production. Only the US, the EU, Israel and China have AESA radar capability. The National Flight Testing Center, which is manned by Indian Air Force, has already green-lighted the radar after successful performance tests. The indigenously developed Uttam AES radar will be integrated with all Indian fighter jets that include Su-30 MKIs, which is the backbone of Indian Air Force, MiG-29K of Indian Navy and Tejas Mk-1A. Earlier plan was to integrate Uttam with 21st Tejas Mk onwards, but now it has been decided to integrate from 17th Tejas Mk1A. The first 16 Tejas Mk1A will also feature AESA radar, but it will not be Uttam AESA radar. Instead, it will be Israeli ELM 2052 AESA radars. Uttam radar to feature in Tejas Mk1A will have close to 780 TR modules. Uttam is a full solid-state gallium arsenide based active electronically scanned array radar. It is liquid-cooled AESA radar featuring quad band modules that can be stacked to form a larger unit. This makes increasing or decreasing the number of TR modules quite easy in Uttam AESA radar depending on fighter jet's nose cone.
Uttam AESA radar has total of 18 modes in air-to-air, air-to-ground and air-to-sea roles.
The radar has range well over 120 kilometers and is key to various indigenously developed missiles such as Astra and other guided ammunitions over long distances. The AESA radar has 95% indigenous component with only one imported subsystem. It has the capacity to track 100 targets in the sky at a range excess of 100 km and engage 4 of them simultaneously. We have even seen Uttam AESA radar tracking Tejas at 140 km range, which is quite significant as Tejas is a very small fighter with RCS of just 0.5 meters square. An MOU had been signed between HAL and DRDO for the transfer of technology and production of Uttam AESA radar. HAL will be the lead system integrator of Uttam.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.